Have you ever stopped to consider the role of retirement planning and wealth building in shaping a financially secure future for women? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? Today we're going to delve deep into this subject, unraveling the mysteries of the different retirement plans available. The goal? To empower women with the knowledge needed to make informed financial decisions. Firstly, we have the Simplified Employee Pension, or SEP IRA. This plan is particularly appealing to self-employed women and small businesses. With a SEP IRA, the employer, which could be you if you're self-employed, makes contributions to the plan. A key advantage of this plan is the high contribution limit, which can be a significant boon for late starters in retirement planning. However, the SEP IRA is less flexible than other options, as the employer alone contributes. Now let's turn our attention to the Savings Incentive Match Plan for Employees, or Simple IRA. This plan is a great fit for small businesses with fewer than 100 employees. The Simple IRA allows for both employer and employee contributions, providing more versatility. However, it does come with a lower contribution limit compared to the SEP IRA. Next up, we have the 401k and 403b plans. These are employer-sponsored retirement plans, with the 401k being more common in the private sector and the 403b in the public sector. Both plans allow for employee contributions, which are often matched by the employer up to a certain percentage. These plans offer high contribution limits, and the potential for employer match can significantly boost retirement savings. However, they are contingent on the employer offering such a plan. Lastly, we have the Roth IRA. This plan is unique because, unlike the others, contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. This can be an excellent choice for women who expect their tax rate to be higher in retirement than it is now. So, what have we learned today? We've explored the different retirement plans available, from the SEP IRA tailored for self-employed women and small businesses, to the Simple IRA, perfect for small businesses with fewer than 100 employees. We've touched on the 401k and 403b plans, common in the private and public sectors respectively, and finally the Roth IRA with its unique tax advantages. In summary, each retirement plan offers its own set of advantages and disadvantages. It's crucial to consider personal circumstances, employment status, and future financial expectations when choosing a plan. Retirement planning and wealth building are key components in securing a comfortable future. As women, it's imperative that we arm ourselves with knowledge, make informed decisions, and take control of our financial destiny.